Food and Beverage Expo.
Yeah, hello. My name is Pramod Kumar and from Vezlay Foods Pvt Limited. I would like to introduce Vezlay Foods as the largest manufacturer of innovative soya-based food products. And the company is Delhi-based. And the foundation of Vezlay Foods led by our managing director, Mr. Amit Bajaj in 2010, with the vision to provide nutritious and healthy food products in cost-effective manner. In our product range, we have so many varieties, starting from starters like seekh kebab, sami kebab, nuggets, Hindi fries, Manchurian balls, crispy lollipop, and in gluten-free products we have soya stick, soya noodles, soya veggie, and in ready-to-eat segment we have rogan josh, biryani, and recently we have launched scrambled egg. So, this is a replacement of egg white. In plant-based section, we have recently launched our sausages in different flavor. So you can say it's the entire product range based on soya bean. So as you know, the soya is very beneficial for our health. It's very nutritious, healthy, protein-rich, and rich with dietary fiber. So here in Expo, we get very good response from our customers. We generate a very good leads from hoteliers and restaurants. So overall, we have a very good experience in this expo. And we also have our distributor in Chennai, Mr. Satish. So he's our Chennai-based distributor. So our product is already available in Chennai in retail and commercial both. So overall, it was a very good experience.
Food and Beverage Expo, 21st, 22nd and 23rd June. 2023 Mampo Convention Center, Bengaluru.